Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that will make your driving experience safer and more secure. On the left side, we have the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera, and on the right side, we have the SUVCON Dash Cam. Let's jump right into it and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to dash cams, video quality is crucial. The ARIFAYZ Dash Cam records in FHD 1080p, capturing crystal clear footage of the road ahead. With its advanced GC-CMOS sensor and 150 degrees wide-angle lens, you won't miss any important details even at night. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an intuitive app for Android and iOS smartphones. You can easily access a live stream, download videos, change settings, and even share your footage with friends and family on social media platforms. Now let's dive into some additional features that set these dashcams apart. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam offers a 24-hour parking mode with collision detection. It will automatically switch to parking mode and record any impact or collision while your car is parked. Plus, it supports up to 128 GB micro SD cards, giving you plenty of storage space for all your recordings. Both the ARIFAYZ Dashcam and the SUVCON Dashcam offer great features and quality, but they cater to different needs. If you prioritize video quality and advanced connectivity options, the ARIFAYZ Dashcam is the way to go. However, if you want a triple dashcam setup with superior night vision and easy installation, the SUVCON Dashcam has got you covered. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your specific needs. Thanks for watching this episode of Buy Smart. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future comparisons. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.